Greetings to all present here today. This auditorium has been awaiting the return of the students for more than a year. If it could speak, it would tell you how lonely and quiet it has been. Once again, the indomitable human spirit has risen against all odds. And here we are. Our experience with COVID is one we would rather forget. I still remember the day when we shifted to online classes. There were ongoing questions of, how will this work? But it did. We've gone from classrooms to bedrooms, corporate clothes to pajamas, and excursions to breakout rooms. We were in lockdown. Lockdown from social events and work. Lockdown from what could have been boundless opportunities. But we created our own opportunities. We rose to the occasion. Against all circumstances, we rise again. Against all situations, we rise again. Against all trials, we rise again. Against all tribulations, we rise again. Against all storms, we rise again. I would now like to request our Senior Education Advisor, Ma'am Shaminder Parmar, to address the gathering. Please, ma'am.
Good afternoon, our distinguished members of the management, respected Principal, Lieutenant Colonel Ratanveer Singh, our valued parents, dear educators, and my beloved students. We extend a warm welcome to our audience who are here at St. Kabir Public School's investiture ceremony, a solemn event which marks the handing over of responsibilities of the outgoing school cabinet to the new incumbents. The members of the school cabinet are required to bear the additional responsibilities, and they are expected to be role models and lead their peers and juniors by setting an example. Our new leaders have been selected by an elaborate assessment, as it is important that they have the potential maturity to undertake leadership roles. For this, I would like to convey my appreciation to all: the class teachers, the teachers of grades 8, 9, and 11, the overall in charges, Ms. Nandita Gupta and Ms. Shipra Jain, the coordinators, Ms. Shikha Nijjar and Ms. Monica Tandon, who have diligently looked into the minutest details of the final assessment. Our newly selected cabinet members need to remember the school motto, Labor Omnia Vincit, that is, labor always wins, and the three ideals that we stand by: integrity, courage, and compassion. They need to be proactive in handling the responsibilities as young adults. They must always remember that we, the school, and you, their parents, are always there as a collaborative support system. Our outgoing cabinet members did their best despite the ongoing pandemic, and we wish the new team taking over from them all the best to live up to the high expectations that we have of them. Thank you. God bless. Now back again to Ms. Meenakshi.
Thank you, ma'am. It is now time for us to express our gratitude to the Almighty, for He has always showered us with His blessings. Let us now bow our heads in gratitude and reverence with the prayer Showers of Blessing, sung by students of grades 11 and 12.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, precious reviving again, over the hills and the valleys, sound of abundance of rain.
Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now a refreshing, come and honor thy word. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, if we but trust and obey. There shall be seasons refreshing, if we let God have His way. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead.
The investiture ceremony that you're about to witness is a much simpler version of what is traditionally organized. Traditions must be preserved. Traditions foster a sense of unity and belonging among all stakeholders in our school. Sharing our school's heritage is the best way to preserve it. With this objective in mind, let us set the ball rolling and get the show on the road. I will now be introducing the new cabinet to you. It gives me great pleasure to introduce our head boy, Jehan Chhabra, for the academic session 2021-22. Jehan has been the junior editor for the SKPS e-newsletters editorial board. He recently completed a 5-week online program from the University of Michigan, USA, on high-stakes leadership in which he secured 98.4%. He took another course from the University of Virginia, where he secured 97%. He has been actively involved in the Model United Nations, where a special mention was made for his contributions. Not only this, he designed a face recognition app and took part in breaking a Guinness World Record during the AI for India event organized by Grab Your Vernacular imprint. Next, with great joy in my heart, I would like to introduce our head girl, Diya Singh. She secured the 3rd position in the duet category in Funk Circle dance competition. She recently completed an online course on rhetoric, the art of persuasive writing and public speaking, from EDX, a branch of Harvard and MIT University. She has also been taking part in different events like the Webster EMUN, the Intac Heritage Quiz, the Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, the Green Gurukul Challenge, an essay writing competition, Rainbow by Sathi and NGO, and has also been part of the Anne Frank Youth Network. It is with great pride that I now introduce the senior prefects. First, we have Manya Guglani, Senior Prefect Community Service. Manya intends to help people who are in dire need. At present, she is working for various organizations doing social work like Proud Family, Nanhe Kadam, and Shunya. She was also the media head for the PDC conducted at St. Anne's for 2 consecutive years. She secured the 1st position in a declamation contest organized by the Rotaract Club. and also a prize in the declamation competition held at St. Anne's Convent School, Chandigarh. A good basketball player, her team won the second prize in basketball at St. Anne's School. Up next, we have a woman of letters, if you will, Sahira Jain, Senior Prefect, Editorial Board. She is a prolific writer who has contributed to the SKPS School e-newsletter. Sahira is good in Latin dancing. She has bagged the national gold medal twice and the silver and bronze medals in the state championships in Latin dancing. She and her dance team have conducted workshops in reputed institutions of Chandigarh like PEC and PGI. She has also participated and performed in various dance festivals, the most prominent being India International Dance Congress at Bangalore. She was part of the dance team for the Indo-Australian Cultural Meet that took place in Sydney, Australia. Next, we have Shresht Alreja, Senior Prefect, Co-Curricular Activities. Shresht is passionate about public speaking. He hosts a podcast and is greatly interested in business studies. He has a commendable list of achievements. He won the High Commendation title, the second prize, at Legatus Youth Conference. He also participated in the LPS Business Conclave 2020. He got the High Commendation title, the second prize, at Ensemble MUN and second prize at TYE Chandigarh round as well. He was the best delegate, securing the first prize at the MUN conference hosted by Jaipuria Institute of Management, Jaipur. I now proudly introduce you to Shreya Gupta, Senior Prefect Sports, who likes to explore innovative and sustainable business ideas. She has a passion for all forms of martial arts and has won gold medals in Choi Kwon-do at district and state level championships. She won a bronze medal at the national level in Choi Kwon-do. She also won a gold medal in the Taekwondo district level championship. She has also taken part in the Taekwondo state level competition held at Kurukshetra. She was placed third in the TYE Entrepreneurship Program, Chandigarh chapter. Shreya has taken part in the state level science, mathematics and environment exhibition for children held in the year 2020-21. She has qualified in the first round of Prarambh Business Plan business competition. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Now I would like to introduce our house captains. First, we have Dishita Gupta. Some of her noteworthy achievements are qualifying for the final round of the Income App quiz, securing international rank 14, and receiving the Zonal Medal of Distinction in the International English Olympiad. She has also participated in the second level and qualified for Asset Talent Search in the top 10%. She has taken part in the Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, a competitive exam related to science. Dishita was also part of a team that set the Guinness World Record for having the maximum number of people who took an online computer programming course in 24 hours. I would now like to introduce the Orchid House captain, Avneet Kaur Garewal. She has been an NCC cadet for 2 years. She received a Medal of Distinction in the English Olympiad held last year. She also won a gold medal in NSO. Next, I am delighted to introduce the Tulip House captain to you, Brinda Nanda. Brinda is an active participant in various school-level Olympiads. She represented Chandigarh in the Intact Heritage Quiz and has also taken part in Mind Wars and won cash vouchers. It gives me immense pleasure today to introduce Captain of Violet House, Brinda Thaman. Brinda has participated in various inter- and intra-school competitions like poster making, elocution, and photography. She has also been a student contributor for the Times of India newspaper in education. She was the first runners-up in both the photography and elocution competitions at Rainbow Sathi and NGO. Next, I am delighted to present to you the sports captain for boys, Lakshay Chopra. He is passionate about football and badminton. He has also played the state badminton championship and been ranked first in an All India scholarship exam. Next, who I would like to introduce to you is our sports captain girls. Simar Virk. Simar is an outstanding basketball player. She has participated in many inter-house and inter-school competitions. She attended the National School Games camp in basketball for under 14 girls at the Sports Complex in Chandigarh. Simar has also taken part in the NBA Dribbleathon 2020 competition held in Chandigarh. Sports is an integral part of the holistic development of students, and up next we have Vice Captain Sports Daksh Kaila. Daksh is a skilled cricketer. He has played the Under 14 Cricket School National Tournament as part of the Chandigarh team. Next, we have an all-rounder, Sports Vice Captain girl, Anandita Prabmeher Singh Bisht. She is an amazing athlete and an NCC cadet. She also secured the first position in the NCC debate. I would now like to leave you with a couplet. Let's find the sunny side of men, or be believers in it. A light there is in every soul that takes the pains to win it. Oh, there's a slumbering good in all, and we perchance may wake it. Our hands contain the magic wand. This life is what we make it. I now request Captain Divya Dahiya to please take over. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Meenakshi. Greetings to all. It gives me tremendous pleasure to introduce the vice captains and prefects to you. I proudly introduce Aditya Singla, the vice captain of Daffodil House. Aditya has a passion for chess and was selected for the Chess National Camp. He won the first prize in the unrated category of chess in a national tournament. He participated in the state-level Science, Mathematics, Environmental Exhibition 2020-21. Up next is Harshya Goyal, the Vice Captain of the Orchid House. Harshya has been actively participating in various competitions and events which include the Atal Tinkering Marathon, the International English Olympiad, where she won a Medal of Distinction. She has also been a member of the Anne Frank Youth Network. She was a part of the team that set the Guinness World Record for having the maximum number of people who took an online computer programming in 24 hours. Now we have the Vice Captain Tulip House, Shreya. Shreya has a keen interest in basketball and loves to play the guitar. She stood first in the Sarthak IT Fest 2019 at St. Stephen's Schools in Search, Analyze, Present in a Word document designing competition. She also won the first prize in the Hindi essay writing competition on iDonation held by PGI in the year 2020. I'm delighted to introduce Sejal Garg, the Vice Captain of Violet House. Sejal has been a member of the basketball team of her house. She has been participating and winning Olympiads and various other art competitions. Sejal was a part of the Anne Frank Youth Network. We now have the House Prefect of Daffodil House, Ashruth Johar. Ashruth has a passion for computer science and aspires to become a software developer. A silver medalist in the National Science Olympiad, he is also among the top 10% participants in Asset Talent Search. He has to his credit the certificates of Build a Face recognition application using Python. He was also a part of the team that set the Guinness World Record for having the maximum number of people who took the online computer programming in 24 hours. I'm now delighted to introduce Trisha Arora, the Orchid House Prefect. Trisha has participated in online painting competitions by Edu Sensei, the Anti-Tobacco Poster-Making Competition, an AI for India event by Grab Your Vernacular imprint. She has also been participating keenly in various school-level Olympiads in English, mathematics, and science. Next, I would like to introduce Tulip House Prefect Vikram Singh. Vikram has appeared in Talent Text 2020 and also secured a scholarship. Vikram is passionate about lawn tennis and has played in the Under-17 Lawn Tennis Championship. I'm proud to introduce Arnav Kalia, Prefect Violet House. It is creditable that he is a part of the school cabinet for the second time. He is passionate about cracking the UPSC examination to become an IAS officer. He had scored the highest marks in the general category in the All India Scenic School entrance examination. Up next, we have the Daffodil House Junior Prefect, Sifat Sethi. Sifat has a Medal of Distinction in the International English Olympiad, and she also stands among the top 10% participants in the Asset Talent Search. She has been a part of the Anne Frank Youth Network, MUN organized by Altuas on United Nations Commissions of the Status of Women. She's also secured the first position in the Inter-House Kho-Kho competition. Next, we have Orchid House Prefect, Prisha Singla. Prisha loves to dance, draw, and paint. She's a conscientious student who has never missed a class in the previous session 2020-21. She believes in walking the talk and has made a compost pit at home to contribute her bit to conservation. It gives me tremendous pleasure to introduce Girisha, the prefect from Tulip House. Girisha has been ranked among the top 30 in the international drawing competition. She is also a national martial arts player and has won a bronze medal for the same. She has been keenly participating and excelling in the national science as well as international maths Olympiads. I feel delighted to introduce Saisha Malik, the prefect of Violet House. Saisha has excelled in academics as well as extracurricular activities. She was selected to be a part of the Anne Frank Youth Program. She had participated in the Pride Poster-Making competition organized by Sathi, an NGO. She was also a part of the team that set the Guinness World Record for having the maximum number of people who took the online computer programming in 24 hours. Now the sports prefects. Boys sports prefect Varun Bothra is a skilled basketball and football player. He won a gold medal at Brain O Brain Fest and was selected for the national basketball trials. He also claimed a silver medal at the Servo Sub-Junior Basketball Championship. Along with him is the proud girls sports prefect, Ashima Sharma. Ashima excels in Kho-Kho and basketball. She has played in various inter-house basketball competitions. I wish these young and bright new incumbents all the best in their future endeavors. Ladies and gentlemen, up next in front of you are our NCC cadets marching up smartly. NCC is a tri-service organization comprising the Army, Navy, and Air Force, engaged in grooming the youth, the leaders of tomorrow, into disciplined and patriotic citizens. NCC Army Wing for Boys was started in our school in the year 2001. Today, we have a contingent of 60 cadets. They are given professional training, which includes marching, weapon training, and first aid. The cadets attend annual training camps every year and participate in a number of competitions. These disciplined cadets learn to live and work for others with pride and dignity. NCC Naval Wing for Girls was introduced in the school from the session 2016-17. We now have 50 girl cadets, and they are second to none. Despite the pandemic situation, NCC instructors have engaged students through online activities. Ladies and gentlemen, I now extend a hearty welcome to the newly inducted cabinet, for whom today is a very special and significant day. It is a moment of great pride, contentment, and achievement for all. School is where characters are shaped and personalities are sculpted. In these challenging times, our alma mater has risen to the occasion, and no stone has been left unturned to provide students with quality online education and now blended learning for our students of grades 9 to 12, along with ample growth opportunities. It is also vital to acknowledge the unconditional love and guidance given by the parents. Where we stand today is a combination of their hard work and effort. We know that our students can go further with renewed confidence and that all of you will be there to celebrate their victories. We now have the most solemn part of the event, the oath ceremony. I request our principal, sir, Colonel Ratanbir Singh, to administer the oath of office to the new incumbents and address the distinguished gathering. Please, sir.
Designate members of the incoming school cabinet, please repeat after me. I solemnly pledge in the presence of my parents, teachers, and peers, that I will be honest, so that people will rely on me, conscientious, so that nothing that I may do may ever be less than the best. Punctual, so that I may never waste the time of others by keeping them waiting for me. Reliable, so that I may keep my promises to people. Responsible, so that I may be able to perform my duty with pride, dignity, and purpose. I will not forget my school's motto, Labor Omnia Vincit, and I commit myself to uphold the three core values of my school: integrity, courage, compassion. So help me God. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to request the cabinet members to please introduce themselves to you before I continue further. Head boy, head girl.
Tia Singh,
Jihan Chadda,
Shriya Gupta,
Sri Salreja,
Sahira Jain, Manya Guglani, Dishita Gupta, Avneet Kaur, Brinda Nanda, Brinda Thaman, Simar Ved,
Lakshay Chopra,
Aditya Singla,
Harsha Goel, Shreya Prajapati, Sejal Garg,
Daksh Kela,
Anandita Bisht,
Ashrut Johar,
Trisha Arora,
Vikram Singh,
Arnav Kalia, Sifat Sethi, Prisha Singla, Girisha, Saisha Malik, Hashima Sharma,
Varun Bothra,
Respected members of the management, dear parents, thank you very much for gracing this auspicious occasion and blessing the incoming members of the school cabinet. I fully agree with our colleague Mrs. Mann about how dark and sad is a silent auditorium. An auditorium's stage needs its players. As a matter of fact, I'm so touched, so deeply moved by all of you being here that I forgot the sequence in which the students were to be introduced, for which I apologize to them and to you. But that's how it happens. Sometimes you do get moved away. Just think of those times. We're talking about sadness, about this 1 year. One thing that she mentioned about, there was a lot of stress on we. And I thought that we need to make it clear that the we includes all of you. It is not just all these teachers who, and other members of the school staff who have gone beyond what was ever expected of them from a normal old way of schooling to being available to the students all time, all day. That was difficult, but then I would say that they have mustered the courage, and with your collaboration, we have succeeded in maintaining the link of this time-honored tradition of the Invest Teacher in our school's history. It is something very, very important and touching. Parents, as I said, are equal partners in this, and my own growth as an educator, as an educational administrator, I've always been inspired by a shlok of Guru Gobind Singh Sahib, in which he said about his Sikhs, "Inhi ki kripa ke saje hum hain, nahi to moso garib karod pare." It is because of you that our lives have value, our lives have significance. It is because of you that we have an opportunity to groom your children, to nurture them as our own. So thank you very much, and I hope that this will continue, because please remember, there is not a single place in this whole world which has ever been without fear or without danger. And there will never be any place without fear or danger. Beyond fear lies victory. We have started this brave step we have taken of trying to return back to the way children should be brought up in schools in the company of each other. I hope you will support us in this and take this forward. Now, last word before I end this address is to my students, and through you to the others who are there in the campus, that voices fade away. We say words and then they are gone. But they are never gone. Nothing fades away. The vibrations remain forever in this universe. The first vibration of this world, we all keep on repeating today without understanding this link, how it creates us, joins us to our Creator, that is Om. Why am I saying this? You have taken an oath. You have read out those words in the presence of your parents, in the presence of your teachers, in the presence of your peers. It is now for you to live up to them, because once the words fade away, the memory remains, and that memory is called conscience. It is now for you to see how you interpret your jobs. Becoming a prefect is not getting a certificate and the end of it. In fact, it is just the beginning of it. It is how you look at things. And in this, through you, I'm also requesting the parents that they will need to do beyond their own class studies. Please encourage them. Because what they do, they have to, on their own, make out their own lives. This is an additional opportunity given to them in recognition of their abilities. And what they do, they are going to be role models for the others. So having said this, I once again thank everybody for being here. And may God bless us all and stay safe. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for those inspiring words. No person was honored for what he has achieved. Honor has been the reward for what they gave. Ladies and gentlemen, before you on stage, we have the cabinet for the session 2021-22. Please give them a loud round of applause. Next is the school song, sung by the students of classes 9 and 10. I request all of you to kindly stand for the same.
To praise my alma mater Kabir, I stand here today. I stand straight up, right, tall and strong, because of Kabir today. You paved the path for me to walk with footsteps firm and bold. You etched into my conscience strong the power of love for all. Tolerance, discipline, I watch which I abide, because of Kabir today. To praise my alma mater Kabir, I stand here today. I give thanks, I give thanks, I give thanks to Kabir today. I stand straight up, right, tall and strong, because of Kabir today. Alphabetically, numerically, scientifically, intelligently, creatively and logically and sportingly, I can face the world today. Great steps are spirit on the rise and a heap of love in my eyes. I can face the world today. I can make the world today. I give thanks, I give thanks, I give thanks to Kabir today. I stand straight up, right, tall and strong, because of Kabir every day.
We are but a reflection of the values and ideals of our alma mater, Saint Kabir Public School. We stand tall and proud because of the tireless efforts of Mr. J.P. Singh, Ma'am Singh, and the management who have mentored our educators and have taught us that labor indeed does win all. I now invite the head boy and the head girl to propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's our privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this momentous occasion. I, Jihan Chabda, the head boy,
And I, Diya Singh, the head girl,
thank everyone for making this special day a memorable one for all of us. We express our gratitude to our director and founder, Mr. J.P. Singh sir, and Ma'am Singh for inspiring us to do our best, our venerable principal sir for always supporting us, all the members of the school management for nurturing us, and all our revered teachers who strive tirelessly so that we may succeed, especially in these trying times.
ladies and gentlemen, We would also like to thank the people who worked behind the scenes to make this event happen. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated staff of the Department of IT, Art, Administration, Music, NCC, and the supporting staff. Our sincere gratitude to all the parents and well-wishers for their continuous support and encouragement.
Once again, we thank everyone for being here today. Now over to Meenakshi ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Diya and Jehan. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to end with APJ Abdul Kalam's words. Winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. And dreams are not what you see in your sleep. It is something which doesn't let you sleep. I wish all our cabinet members the very best in the coming session. I also request all the house mistresses, deputy house mistresses, members of the newly inducted cabinet to please stay back in the auditorium for a group photograph. Thank you everyone for gracing the occasion. I request everyone to please remain seated till the management and parents move out of the auditorium. Thank you everyone.